te college bon pi baro kini kalong ka jeng tim ki taki ko bala kam te ka dia machu West Kasil ka don ya ki post ki balaj don ki nomor post ki dai ka kana jeli te ka apply yang ni post ki dai arpon rutring match 100% te ka dia machu West Kasil ani ka Urban Health and Wellness Center in West Kasil district along kani the office of the medical Health and Officer Center member of society DMHS West Kasil ka call application ta ki post vacancy in contract basis thì kelas tit langsung ini ka kade nyu trek na usau ada pesan di post ki dong ni ka post ka kong kade medical in health and officer kala pendek ka MBS di kan nomor post dong likely dengan place of posting kade nong renew Sofian and Maulendep West Kasil nang ta ka age limit kan dai government of Meghalaya norms nang ta ka salary kan dai entry charge benai nang ta ka essential qualification ki depan pendap ya ka MBBS degree from na kanu ka university kabala recognized ta ka Medical Institute of India but kabala register hapo ka with MICC and MC nang ta ka post ka ar ka staff nurse nang ta nomor post ka artili nang ta ka posting ka hi akan nong review Sofian Maulendep West Kasil nang ta ka age limit ka dai jong ka as the government nom nang ta salary ka dai approach charge nai nang ta ka qualification level pendep ka BSc nursing ani GNM kepala itu ka medical institution most recognized from the Meghalaya Nursing Council te ka post ka balai ka de ka ENM karon lai tili ki post nang ta ka posting ka de hi nong rengeu Sofian Maulendep West Kasil district nang ta ka age limit ka de hi ka government of Meghalaya norms nang ta ka salary ka de khat nyu jasan spice benai nang ta ka essential qualification ka de arts name ka diploma certificate course in auxiliary nurse and midwife he or she they contain and rang mat bala register hi da government of Meghalaya Nursing Council nang ta ka post ka ba sao ka dai hi kan helper com DO nomor post ka don Southerly nang ta ka place of posting the day new Sofian Maulendep West Kasil district nang ta ka age limit kan dai hi ka government of Meghalaya norm nang salary kan dai ka arjaj benai ka essential qualification kan dai ki bala pendep ya ka class 12 pass in diploma certificate in computer application but kan nomor post nomor ka basan ka dai ka cleaning staff nomor post ka don likely nang ta ka posting ka dai ka nong rengau Sofian Maulendep pendeng rei ka bahab apa ka West Kasil district ka age limit ka dai as a government norms nang ta salary ka dai naik span tu ka shibrai nang ta ka essential qualification ki develop pendep ya ka class 10 class 12 pass nang ta ka post ka review ka dai posting dai gat nang ta ka nomor post ka dai likely ka posting ka dai nomor new Sofian Maulendep pendeng rei West Kasil nang ta ka age limit kan dai hi ka government of Meghalaya norm nang ta ka salary ni voucher benai nang ta ka essential qualification ki develop pendep class 10 class 12 pass te kumno ba pin apply ya kane ka dia machu West Kasil te ki ya ka application la pendap leng ba ka standard form lani ka bayar ta but all with a qualification certificate bila pendap na tu ya baro ki qualification certificate jongpi should be reached to the office of the district medical and health officer Noston Hashwa ka nyotri nata kapor kende san maji hapo san maji ya ka dit lani ka tarik pan tho test lani man tho ya ka test lani man for the staff nurse nata ENM helper com DO cleaning staff gat kinsala makin inform ki last day pan somi application form di kanadit kan kami education list namanta ki written test di can call if limba ka personal interview di kadit interview ke sa pentip feeling ba ti penambah ti penambah ti la ai bab ha ma bab